Hey everybody, Kent here with Retro Gamers of Wisconsin. Today I'm going to do just a quick little video on how to fix a Colecovision with bad sound. So you can see I have Spy Hunter in the cartridge slot, and I will turn on the Colecovision, and as you can tell I have all sorts of static, which we're going to fix in a second here once I get this game running. Alright, so we'll start the game, and you can hear the Spy Hunter music, but lots of static still, so let's turn on a light here. So right in here there's a little hole that has a little slot that you can turn with a screwdriver. And we're going to do that right now. Now, if I turn this clockwise, that'll clear up the sound. See, that's much better. Turn it back. And turn it to the right. That's it. That's all I had for you for today. You can find us on Facebook and YouTube and TikTok. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.